Hello, and welcome to another update video about DOT. Polkadot has overnight reached the next target, so we're going to take a look at that, and we also want to take a look at if it's already possible to confirm that DOT completed the Wave 2 correction on the 24th of June, this week, Monday. Quick reminder, we are currently watching this structure, this scenario in which DOT formed a wave 1 to the upside into the March highs in 5 waves, and then a 3-wave corrective pullback. Actually, it's not in 3 waves. I'm labeling it as a WXYXZ structure. I'm sure other interpretations can apply as well. It's a very rare form of a correction, definitely not a great pattern to watch, but this is the scenario I am following. And it is possible that in this scenario, WXYXZ, the Z wave is complete, basically the last wave. This structure comes with a lot of problems, so it's not a reliable one at all, which makes it even more important to watch for key signals and evidence that a low is in before confirming a low. I highlighted to you a few days ago that this correction might be complete. Doesn't mean it is complete. It might be complete. That only means that the downside correction has enough waves to be considered complete. But we needed an initial signal, and that initial signal would have been our break above the descending trend line. Now that actually happened, okay? That was the initial signal, early indication that maybe a low has formed. But then I told you yesterday, okay, what is now needed for a first, let's say, confirmation? It's still unreliable because it's a very, very small wave degree, but minimally, I want to see a third wave reach the 1.38 extension at $5.97. That was reached perfectly. And the fifth wave, however, and this is really the important bit, the fifth wave needs to reach $6.05, minimally, ideally a bit higher. That would be then a first 5-wave pattern. This would be at least a first confirmation that a bottom has formed. It's not certainty, absolutely not. This would then at least be a first 5-wave move up with which we can work. That would then need to be proven in the subsequent pullback, because what we really need all the time, and I highlight it all the time, I need to see 5 waves up and 3 waves down. Why is not the 5-wave move up enough? It's very simple. Nothing stopping the market to form a 4th wave here. So basically at the moment, interpretation is this was an A, B, C structure in wave 4. We bottomed here in wave 5. But it's possible that this was just the A wave, an overshooting B wave to the downside, and this is a C wave up in 5 waves, and then we come down. And therefore it needs the 5 waves up, 3 waves down. At least if we get an initial 5-wave move up, we have a first, set of structures or waves to work with, because then I can add the next support area. Already earlier today, in one of the signals for our gold members, I added this micro support area between 569 to 579, to which the price reacted, which is the area that needs to hold in a 4th wave, because at the moment we only have 3 waves up. So we need now a 5th wave. Can only happen if the 4th wave holds above 569. It's done that, but it hasn't given us the last push to $6.05. So that is what I'm watching for at the moment. Once I see that 5th wave, and it might not happen, then we go down directly. Once I see the 5 waves, I can add the next support area for this wave 2 pullback. It really is about that 5-wave movement to the upside, because if we don't get that, and the price is definitely struggling here with the previous swing highs, you see that. All these swing highs, there is resistance at $6. If we don't see the 5 waves, there is absolutely nothing, nothing objective that we have that would give us a clear indication that we've bottomed there, even though the potential is there. But it now needs to be confirmed by the price by following higher in 5 waves. That needs to be corrected then in 3 waves in a wave 2, and then we follow through in the next 5-wave sequence in wave 3, and it builds a larger 5-wave move. So that's what I'm watching. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.